Okay, okay. I think today is the official release of the update, yeah? Right. What is... Oh, I didn't even play. Afros. Okay, typical. Okay, not bad actually. Shaman. Yep. I'll do it tomorrow. I think I got the go-kart, no? No, someone. Across the Timeway. I got 70 packs. 50? And 20? 72. Oh. We do 2020 like the last video I did. Golden? Oh, okay. Another golden?
Legendary.
Oh, there's the rock one. I think I got it already previously. Eh? Oh, got twice. Whatever. I forgot. Not bad. Okay, one more.
Legendary.
Oh, one more? Oh, the Infinity. I don't really like this one. Hey. Last 11 pack. Let's see. One. 8. I remember I got the signature card previous the early opening pack. I remember. Pack. Hehe. Okay, that's all. Kind okay, I feel like not bad, not bad. By the whole cards I get. Oh shit. Hehe. Lol.